It is laundry time, so let's review these three different products that I'll be using: my portable washer and spinner, my foldable bucket, and my 4-valve faucet. Let's use these as we do my laundry. Okay, we are now set up. I have the washer, my laundry detergent, and my portable bucket for the water. So we're already actually have, and you'll see as I open up the thing, just showing you the knobs. It has a 15-minute washing timer. It has a standard of soft and drain, and then the spinner also has a timer. I already have my clothes in there, and I'm showing you the spinner side. So, and my portable bucket is already filled with water. So, and I'm about to pour the water into the washer. So the washer, I believe, only holds, and if you need to know the actual amount, it only holds, I believe, only 8 gallons of water, and that's usually about about 2 buckets full, or a little bit under 2 buckets full. So I'm getting ready to put my laundry detergent in there, and we're going to let that do its thing. Okay, fam, so we are going to let that run for 15, which is the max on the timer. Let that do its thing for 15 minutes. So as it's doing its thing, and once it's finished, but I'll show you when you can kind of see it doing its thing there. Notice how my water is always pink, but most of my clothes are pink. But that's going to run for 15 minutes. I'm going to go and get me some more fresh water, and these are 4-valve connector. I find it easy that way. I can keep my water connected and use it for hose and everything else. So 4 valves, pretty neat. So you can see I'm letting the water drain out. As that's draining out, I'm going to fill it up one more time after that, and I'm going to close it up, which you'll see me move the button back there, and I'm going to let it run for 3 minutes with fresh water. This is to make sure I get my clothes, the soap out of my clothes. So I'm just going to let it run for 3 minutes, and then I'll drain it out once more. Once that is finished, it goes through its cycle of 3 minutes. So far, I like the washer part, but also I wanted to show you, this is the foldable bucket. They come in multiple sizes. I'm kind of showing you how I'm folding it out. This is a 12 liter, which I believe it equals up to 5 gallons. I have them in different sizes. So I love the buckets. Definitely a good buy with the buckets. With the washer and spinner, I'm liking the washer part of this. I'll show you what I mean by I don't really care for their spinner part of this, but I'll show you that part in the next clip. Okay, fam, this is the part where I say I'm not really fond of the spinner part. Yes, I tried to get some of the water out of my dress, which is what you see me kind of do, and I'm putting in the spinner. I don't know if it's just too heavy or too many clothes. Like I say, I'm still learning this, but you'll see once I turn the spinner on, how this machine shakes like crazy. And it was only 2 pieces of clothes in there. And yes, they were heavy, but watch this. I'm not liking that, and it really wasn't doing that much for all that shaking. So what I ended up doing was squeezing the water out, folding and squeezing the water out. I'm also showing you the rack that I brought, and I believe I also put in what I brought from my RV. So this is a cute little rack. Tell me where you think I got it. I got it from Amazon, but this is a foldable rack which can be expanded, which I'm showing you. So this is also a nice little rack that I can use, since today was so sunny. That's why I decided to do my laundry. It is time to get these clothes on the rack so they can dry in this beautiful hot sun. Family, get out and enjoy. Peace, love, and happiness. Bye-bye.